Hey everyone, this is Alan Hensley, and this is video number 4 in my 10-part series on the 10 ways to prioritize your savings. Step number 4 is maxing out your health savings account, or your HSA. This is something that's becoming more and more available to employees at different companies. A health savings account is typically paired with a high deductible health insurance plan. And a lot of us are just using the HSA, every year. We go to the doctor for deductibles, for copays, and we just take it out of the HSA. Well, if you're in a position to pay for your medical expenses out of pocket, the HSA is a really powerful savings tool for retirement. Now, if you remember back to my intro video where we talked about the differences between a traditional and a Roth, well, the HSA is one of the very few exceptions that you can get the benefits of traditional and Roth all in one account. So specifically, when money goes into an HSA, it goes in pre-tax, which means you don't have to pay taxes on it that year for the money that goes in. And then if you use it for health expenses that year or later in life, it comes out tax-free. And the trick is leaving it in there for as long as possible so that it can grow. And most of the time within an HSA plan, you can invest it just like you invest your 401k or any other brokerage account that you might have. And if you are putting money in every year and it's growing over time, later in life, in retirement, you're gonna have this account that you can use for health costs and take that money out tax-free. So again, the HSA, it's a really powerful savings tool. There's a limit on how much you can put it in each year. And my recommendation is to max out your contributions to the HSA and then use as little as possible over time so that you can let that grow for as long as possible. So step number 4, max out your health savings account available to you at work. So again, this is the 4th video. There's 6 more videos coming next. Hopefully you find this interesting. Stick around if you want to learn the other steps. Thanks so much.